Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, the learning page. Let's dive into the video. It's a normal phenomenon to see a night sky lit by stars, but it's an altogether awesome feeling if a water body glows at night. Bioluminescence occurs widely in marine vertebrates and invertebrates, as well as in some fungi, microorganisms, including some bioluminescent bacteria and terrestrial invertebrates such as fireflies. This beach is relaxed, secluded beach for swimming, also popular for walks, picnics and sunset views. It is a 30 kilometers long beach. 15 kilometers to left is Kapu beach and 15 kilometers to the right is Padukere beach, running all along the beaches of Arabian Sea. Since few people have visited this quaint little beach, it is very remote. The beach is perfect for catching a beautiful untouched sunrise and sunset, as well as strolls with your base. Mystic Beach offers a breathtaking view of the gleaming waves. So, make your dream of dancing with the stars a reality by visiting this magnificent beach for a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Thank you.